Welcome to Bodycams Canada. On this channel, corruption is exposed and transparency is alive. We are in Toronto, Ontario. Members of the Toronto Police Service are responding to a scene where they're going to initiate a questionable firearm investigation on a resident of this community housing high-rise.
We've gained access, we're just going to be approaching.
Okay, just working. Okay.
A man exits an apartment at the end of the hall and makes his way into the stairwell. A couple of the officers motion slightly towards their firearm when they see the man. A second man exits the apartment and ends up face to face with the responding officers. This is where the questionable police tactics begin.
Hey. Yeah. Hold on. Come over here. Talk to me.
Hold on. Relax. Hold on. We got a call.
Let me just say something. Buddy. Let me just say something, right? What are you guys suspecting me of?
Hold on.
As you can see at the end of the hall, more officers have arrived. Two of the officers currently on scene are going to check the stairwell for the first man who exited the apartment.
Is he down right here?
Yeah, someone went up here. When we showed up, you come up. Yeah. So you think that I should? Nope. Just you keep on that.
You guys are good. Go.
I do not answer questions.
This young man seems to know his rights and answered correctly when asked by an officer for information to further an investigation on himself.
I'd rather have my lawyer with me, okay? I'll sit here. If I'm detained, I'll sit here and detain, but I do not answer any questions.
Sounds good. So we took off and down the stairs. We pulled up.
What time is it?
Right now, it is 4:23 a.m.
Where is this one?
At this point, the officers do not even know the young man's name and also have no evidence he is a part of the incident they are investigating. Anything the man says will only hurt him, as it will be used against him in court in the case any charges are pressed. He seems to understand this and continues to insist on keeping his identity private and asking for a lawyer.
So he left right after the first guy left. The first guy dipped down the stairwell and then he came out and tried to leave. Wouldn't answer no questions. Then whoever was in the unit closed the unit door and locked it.
I have the right to do what? To remain silent, right?
You're not under arrest.
Okay, so I'm being investigated, right? So you guys want to know shit about me, right?
No, I just want to answer.
So you guys,
Are you attending here?
Yes, I am attending here. I live here.
Where do you live?
It doesn't matter where I live. Because I'm
You're attending here.
Yes, I am attending
We're
here.
asking you because you've
I
not
pay
attended.
my
You took
taxes, okay?
trespassing.
I pay my taxes. That means that I live here with what's it called? I pay my taxes here, I pay my rent. That means that you guys can suck my dick.
At this moment, although it is not recommended, I believe the man may have just suggested they immediately end this uncivilized date and take the party to a more personal and affectionate level. The man seems to be trying to lighten up a tense situation, but the look on the officer's face tell me they may have actually considered this an invitation. Next, one officer skips dinner and a movie and asks for the man's name, phone number, and favorite foods.
Right? That's what I mean.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name doesn't matter what my name is. If you guys suspect me of a crime, then if I'm under investigation, if I'm under arrest, I'll give you my name, I'll give you my ID. But I'm not, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Am I investigation? Am I under arrest or am I under investigation or am I under arrest?
You're under investigation right now.
Okay, so that means that do I have to give you my ID?
You should.
I should, but I don't have to, right?
Starting January 1st, 2017, police must follow new rules about when and how they can ask someone to identify themselves. New rules apply if an officer asks you to identify yourself when they are looking into suspicious activities, gathering intelligence, investigating general criminal activity in the community. New rules for street checks do not apply if the officer is talking to a driver during a traffic stop, arresting or detaining you, executing a warrant, investigating a specific crime. As of January 1st, 2017, if a police officer asks you for ID in a situation when the rules apply, they must have a reason, which cannot be, based on race, arbitrary, not meaningful, only because you are in a high crime area, because you refused to answer a question or walked away. Tell you why they want your identifying information. tell you that you can refuse to give identifying information, offer you a receipt, even if you refuse to share information. That includes the officer's name, the officer's badge number, how to contact the Office of the Independent Police Review Director, which handles complaints about police in Ontario, who to contact to access personal information about you that the police service has on file. Keep detailed records of their interaction with you, even if you refuse to share information. If a police officer does not follow these rules, it is a code of conduct violation under the Police Services Act, and they may be disciplined.
Okay, so
But I don't have to, right?
So what are you hiding then?
I don't have to, right? I don't have to, right? I don't have to, right? It doesn't mean what I'm hiding. You're over here, you're doing this shit for your camera. I'm not hiding anything, right? You guys have a duty to try to catch people, right?
Yeah.
I have a duty to keep
No, one went downstairs,
right?
and then he's the second one. He stopped for us.
Come over here.
Both did.
You guys talk to a lawyer, right? You guys are not going to talk to me. When you guys talk to somebody, you guys talk to a lawyer, right?
We don't
You see
have
this
a lawyer.
watch right here? This is not no little watch, fam, right? This shit will pay for my fucking attorney, my lawyer, and will pay for the judge to make the decision for
I mean,
me.
that's the same much for drug runs. The watch don't matter to you.
It's the same. Okay, so tell me where you can buy Patek Philippe, fam.
I don't know
Patek
that. I don't
Philippe?
pronounce that,
Well,
bro.
yeah, of course you don't know how to protect. It shows the amount that you guys don't know about the law, right? You guys are detained. Am I detained? Am I detained?
We're investigating you right now. We're investigating you right now. There's a difference. Okay, turn around.
Hey, what's it called? I want this. You guys have what's it called? You have your camera going, right?
Yeah.
Everyone have your camera going?
Yeah, everybody does.
I say less.
I don't want to-
This
hold on. I don't want
this
to-
lawsuit is about to be crazy, bro. So I'm under arrest for what? What's the suspicion?
Detained.
I'm being for a firearm identification. So you're saying that I shot a firearm?
Hold
I'm
on.
being
I don't want
detained
to
for.
Hold on, boss. Listen to me. I don't want to scratch your watch. Okay, I'm gonna double lock it. Doesn't move anymore,
All
okay?
I'm saying is this.
Cool.
All I'm saying is this. If anything is damaged, everything happened, you guys are paying for it.
All of us.
Yeah, you guys are paying for it. It's all right.
We're
I
gonna
know
double
my law.
lock. So we're
I
gonna
know my
double-
law. I know the law.
Okay, no, we're double locking.
If I'm being under investigation for what? This
Hold
guy
on,
has a
buddy.
big ass ego, fam.
Can you don't move from here for
Yeah,
2 seconds?
I'm not moving.
I don't want to pinch your
This
hand.
shit's on camera, right? I am not moving. Please do not put me on the floor. Do not.
I can't get the other
do some
side.
more shit because I am not moving. I'm legit here. I'm compliant. Please show on the camera that I'm compliant. So that for me, on the camera.
Oh, see the red circle line? Wait, it was Williams
I'm
recording.
compliant. I'm compliant.
You're compliant with me right now.
Thank you. Do not try to do some extra. Do not try. Yo, do you guys have a warrant? So you guys cannot go into the crib without a warrant, right? Yes, you do need a warrant. No, he did not invite you in. Yo, Dave, you're not allowed to
That's
let
not
him
your
in.
unit.
Do not let him in,
can't
Dave.
speak for him, okay?
Dave, you are not letting him in. You are not letting him in the building.
Stop talking, okay?
Okay, they do not have a warrant. They're not allowed in the crib.
We don't need a warrant.
They
It's
do not
public
have a
safety.
warrant. They do not come in your crib.
Does he have any ID
If
on
you
him?
do, no, it doesn't matter. You guys
It
are not.
does, 'cause he's
If you search
Yeah.
me, it's an illegal search.
If you have been detained or arrested, the police have the right to search you and, in some instances, your vehicle, if that was where you were arrested. A search can be conducted by a police officer in order to ensure their safety or the safety of the public. For example, they might suspect that you have a weapon. Prevent the destruction of evidence, locate evidence of the offense for which they arrested you if the police arrest you. They either have a warrant issued for your arrest or reasonable grounds to believe that a crime has been committed or was about to be committed. This means that their investigation into a possible crime has already begun, and by searching you, they take one of the first steps in collecting evidence. The types of searches that the police are permitted to perform on someone they arrest go beyond those permitted for a detained person. If the police have only detained you, they can pat you down in order to ensure their safety or reduce the threat to the public, but they are generally not allowed to search your bag until they have formally arrested you. If the police want to search your cell phone activity, they will also need to arrest you. They may need a search warrant, and it will normally need to be in relation to a serious offense like drug trafficking or a violent crime.
I'm letting you know that right now. I know my law.
I'm telling you,
If
I'm
you
reading
search
find
me,
your
it's an illegal
identification.
search. If they search me right now, on your camera right now, it's an
we gotta get
illegal
ID
search.
something.
They are detaining me for nothing. I didn't do
Okay,
anything
I'm gonna ask
illegal.
you, do you have ID in here?
What? No,
So I
do
won't be
not.
looking regardless.
It's weed. Illegal amount
I don't care about
illegal
weed,
amount of weed. I'm just letting you know. All this shit is recorded, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when you go to court, look, can I get your name? B. Manco, P. Harry, B. Trebecki,
Ryan?
or whatever the fuck.
Andrade?
Doesn't matter, does it?
Okay, let's run that name.
Yeah, run that name. Run that name. Look how goofy you look when you run that name.
Good.
You're a goof too. You guys are both gonna go, yo, I want all these cameras, everything, all of it.
Very good on this man for recognizing he can obtain this body camera footage, and most importantly, for actually taking the steps to obtain it and releasing his interaction for the people to see so you all can display your opinions on whether this interaction was a pass or a fail on behalf of the Toronto Police Service.
All of it. Every single Yeah, thank you. Because I'm gonna show how goofy you guys look in court. You think this shit's gonna stand in court? I'm not arrested. You literally said before you guys put me in handcuffs, I'm detained.
So you can still search them when detained.
I'm detained for what?
Huh?
Detained for what?
Investigation right
For
now.
a firearms investigation. Did you find shit about me?
Huh?
Did you find shit on me? Yo, what? You want me to drop my pants? You want to sexually harass me?
No.
You want me to drop my
We're
pants? I'll
searching
drop my
you for
pants.
safety. There's a difference.
Okay, so
there's
for
a
safety.
difference. Yeah.
Safety.
I've never met you before. I don't know if you have anything sharp on you. Yes, I am.
Have you lived in this area?
Yes, I am.
Do you know
Okay?
this area? You don't. So how the fuck are you coming in this area, not knowing this area, and you think you know shit? That's what the problem with the police. You guys come into areas you don't know. You guys have no fucking. You guys don't know this community, right? You guys come in here trying to act hard, trying to do all this shit, put me in handcuffs. It's gonna show on the investigation how wrong you guys are. I'm detained. I'm not arrested. Detained for a firearm investigation for what?
Let me ask you this. Do you
For
know
what?
the difference?
I know the difference.
What's the
Arrested means that I'm suspected of a crime, right? Detained means that you guys don't have any proof on me, right? That means that I'm going home after this. That means you guys are taking off your shit, and you guys, guess what? You guys are gonna be like, oh, I'm sorry. Guess what? We didn't find anything, so you guys are going home. And guess what? All of you guys are going to court. All you guys are going to court. You're going to court too. Just because you just came up and you don't have nothing, you're going to court too. You're going to court, especially you. You think because you're pretty you're gonna get a pass? No. Over here, that's illegal
my friend.
detainment, illegal search. I'm not spitting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll spit. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm not here trying to.
Let's read him his rights, even though he's under investigative detention, just so that's
so that you
aware.
know.
Okay, I'm just gonna read it to you.
So I'm not arrested.
You're on
No, I
investigative
want to say
detention.
this on
Hold
the
on,
camera.
listen to me.
Listen,
Let me finish.
one thing
Let
at
me
a
finish.
time,
You
come
can
on.
ask any questions you want. Cool?
I just want to say this.
So let me finish. Any questions you have after this, you can ask me. Sound good? So right now, when we read this to you, it advises your rights that you have right now when you're under detainment, when you're in our custody for detainment. Okay?
Detainment, so I'm not under arrest. Okay, one thing, I just want to show your camera that I am in handcuffs. I'm not gonna.
And you're compliant. And you know what? You're compliant.
You're good, don't worry.
No, I want to show it. I want to show it so it sees it. Okay. I'm not gonna run. I'm just gonna turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
So
All right.
I'm in handcuffs.
about that?
They are
Ryan,
reading
Ryan.
my rights. No. Stop.
Hold on, we gotta read. These are important for you.
Yeah.
Hold on.
They're gonna read my rights. But before you read my rights, I want to make sure
Ryan.
for the judge that they see this video.
We're all recording.
Who are reading
We're all
my
recording,
rights?
Ryan.
They are reading my rights for
Can you let me-
detainment.
Just read
Okay.
it.
All
Alright, I'm investigating you for firearms related investigation.
Back up to you.
You're not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do so, but whatever you say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?
Okay, I have the choice to remain silent. I want to remain silent, right? I want a lawyer. If you guys want to question me or anything, I want a lawyer
Just
present.
investigate.
Yeah, no, that's all good. But if you guys want anything, if you guys want to take any notes from me, I want a lawyer present. I just want you guys to know. Okay? Alright. These cuffs are a little bit tight.
So that's what we were saying earlier. When you put them on, you were talking. I said to you, they fit. You got double tape. I don't want to scratch your watch as well, right?
What you said was I need to double tight them. Yo, this is all on camera, so I'm gonna say what he said.
Double lock.
What I'm gonna say what he said. He said I'm a double lock them, right?
So you don't.
That's all he said.
So
Like,
you don't
he never asked me if it felt too tight.
Right.
That's all.
They don't tighten up.
I said, do you want to double lock them because you
I'm gonna remain
want?
silent. I'm gonna remain silent.
It's not, yeah. Let's
Thank you
just
very much. What's your
let's just stand here and wait.
So I get this video at the end of the day.
I was in here. Those guys were able to get in. They got let
I get
in.
to see
Yeah.
it. So
We went down to the exit. Yep, I'm assuming you went through one
I
of
don't
the
mind.
doors.
You probably cut through and or know somebody on the
I
phone or
learned my
something.
law. Well, you guys have any?
Oh, you wanted to stay silent?
Right. But I can talk, right?
You can. That's your choice.
Oh, so I can talk.
I'm just implying that you can reply.
So that's the snitcher there. That's the motherfucker who's snitching. Oh,
Just to be clear, I did not mute or block the footage here. This footage has been redacted by the Toronto Police Service.
No one knocked here?
Just try any door and see if they heard anything.
Well, I guess I will take this opportunity provided by the police to tell you to subscribe to my channel and be sure to comment and share the channel. Let's create transparency together.
I know my laws. Don't worry. This is very bad for you. Who was the one that told me to put down handcuffs? That officer is gonna catch you. Not like verbally catch you, but from the judge, he's gonna catch you. You're not gonna put me on handcuffs just because you guys are doing an investigation. And I'm not a threat. I never said I was a threat. I'm not a threat. What way am I a threat? You guys searched me, you guys did everything. I'm still in handcuffs. In this moment right now, they searched me, they did everything. I'm still in handcuffs. Relax. Dude, this is what the police do. They're not a gang. They think they're a gang. The police are a gang. I can guarantee you, the police are a gang. This is gang activities. What?
Okay, see this shit. Cut him. Good. You're good to go.
Oh, I'm good to go!
Okay, Ryan.
Really?
Ryan.
Oh,
okay.
shit! Dog, I thought I was gonna go to jail!
You're good, man.
Damn! I thought you guys were taking me to jail. I'm sorry.
Ryan, it's
I'm just
early.
reacting to what you guys did to me because this is like harassment, right? If I came and arrested you in your building, that'd be harassment, right? Even though
We didn't arrest you.
you literally did take me and put me in cuffs. Yo, I'm over here. You're telling me that I'm going free? I'm going free? Oh my God, yo, I gotta take a picture of the cuffs.
It's all on video, okay? Listen.
Damn, my nigga.
Ryan.
Y'all see this shit? Yo, let me just put it. I'm not trying to. Yo, hands up. I'm just trying to show the fucking marks.
Yeah, it'll be gone in like 2 minutes.
Yo, y'all crazy for that, fam.
Okay, you're good to go,
Have a good
right?
No,
Have a good night.
Yo, all I'm gonna say is this. Suck my fucking dick.
It is undeniable this man has a heart of gold. Even after all of that, he still offers to continue the unconsensual date. All jokes aside, this man may have had a few drinks while enjoying himself on this evening, but I personally think he did an outstanding job exercising his rights. I would have recommended he called it a night at this point and followed up on this when he was better focused, but apparently he had a few more words to say. I want to thank you all for watching and be sure to check the description for his page link. Head over to his channel to subscribe and let him know Bodycams Canada sent you.
Have a good night.
Pussy.
Have a
You're
good
a
night.
pussy. You're a pussy. You're a pussy. You're a pussy. You're a pussy. See me in court, you fucking bitch. You're gonna see me in court. You know why you're gonna see me in court? You told your squad. You look amigos. You're to arrest me. Arrest me. Whoa. He's getting physical.
Ryan, you're good. You're good, man. You're good to go.
I'm here talking to this police officer. You got physical. Okay. What's your badge number? 12135. My hands are up.
You're good.
These niggas-
You're
these
good to
niggas
go.
are- Just go. My hands are up. Wait,
You're
no.
good.
I just want everybody's badge number. I want everybody's badge number. I just want everybody's.
There's gonna be a record put in there.
Yeah. Hey, do you guys have a card too? I want your cards.
You have
My hands are up.
Let me
My
finish.
hands are up.
Right, let me finish. You have 10,000 questions, right? Before we just answer, you interrupt us.
Okay.
So what kind of question do you have? So if you have a question, state it and let's answer.
I want all of your cards, right? All of your cards. If you guys don't have cards, right? It's on the videos.
2023, nobody cares.
It's on the
Cards.
video.
My hands are up.
Watch it in
Again,
the
my hands
exit.
are up.
You
My
keep it in
hands
the
are
exit sign,
up.
buddy.
Okay, I'm just gonna put my hands up because I know how you guys move, fam. Right? I've already been through this, right? So my hands are up. Okay.
All right, have a good night.
Right? Okay, yo, there's gonna be a report of